everybody, it's Stephanie.
And Steve.
I thought I'd get you not to do the coffee this time.
I love coffee.
Anyways, I got this coffee and I'm pretty convinced that they didn't make it decaf. I don't know why, my gut's just telling me don't drink it. I'll be sorry. If I have a big cup of caffeine, I'll be sorry.
They remade that coffee like 4 times on drive-thru.
Not my fault. I ordered a simple coffee, but they kept making it wrong. Like I ordered a mocha, they made a white mocha. I ordered with coconut milk and they put regular milk. It's like, it wasn't one of those complicated orders.
Starbucks actually went down in the stock market on our drive-thru. Their profitability went down.
Stop. So, today we are out for a beautiful drive, and this is a once-in-a-year opportunity. This will be our 3rd time to go and see the tulips.
Yay!
It's a place called Crystal Hermitage Garden, and it's at a place called Ananda Village, and it's so beautiful. I just think about it all year, and I've been waiting to go, and it looks like it's a perfect sky, but we still have an hour and a half to go, so we're hoping some of these clouds stick around.
Want the puffy clouds to be in the picture if possible.
If possible, if we can have perfection, please. Well, I just can't wait to show you guys one of my favorite places on this planet. It is so stunning and gorgeous. I just had one of my pictures blown up into a canvas to put on my hearth. I'll show it to you. It's so pretty, it looks like a painting, and I swear that's just what it looks like. It just is beautiful.
It's pretty amazing. Yep, I'm looking forward to it. Got the camera, got my SD cards, batteries full up, good to go.
Ready to go. Okay, we'll see you there. Closer. Here we are.
Hey!
Here we are.
Hey!
So look behind us. Is that great? So we got here. It's beautiful. It's overcast.
Oh, here comes the
rain.
And
it's starting to rain.
Oh, it's hailing. It's hailing right now.
Okay, we have to go in.
Look at it.
All right. So it started raining and hailing. We had blue skies, sun. I'll show it to you all the way over here. And now that we're here, it's raining.
There's actually snow. I'm looking at snow that's not very far from us.
I'll show you in a minute. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful no matter what, but not in the rain. And the flowers, they close up a little bit when it's raining, so we caught it just before the rain, got some great pictures. I'm winded from running up here.
I think it's going to be pouring here in just a couple minutes, and then I think it's going to blow over, so it'll be kind of cool.
He says we're waiting. We're going to wait it out.
Absolutely.
We'll see. I mean, we drove all this way.
Yeah.
We're not in a hurry. So
there's nothing more fun than being in shelter in the middle of a giant rainstorm.
So this is my third time to come here. All year I think about coming here. It's just so beautiful. It's just so tranquil and serene, and it's just beautiful. Love the pictures, love the flowers. One time a year. So here we are.
wonder if the chapel's open.
It is.
It says welcome.
It is. All right, let's go in. Oh, that's beautiful. I was just going to apologize, but you're taking pictures too. It's a little dry. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so we're hiding out, let me fix that, under the little tiny entry to the church, which we went and sat in, and we're just standing out here enjoying this. What were you going to say?
Other than there's a bunch of rain coming in the next few minutes, so super anxious to, it's super cool just to feel the wind, and then all of a sudden the rain starts and everything.
We saw some hail,
yeah.
And the lady who works here said this is a great place to see rainbows, so.
Yep.
Okay, this is the spot. This is my favorite spot. There's the little chapel from my picture. And everybody says it looks like a painting. And yet you're seeing it live, so you know how beautiful it really is. It just looks that way. It looks like a painting. It looks like it feels like we're standing in a painting, right?
Yeah, I think we kind of are.
We're standing in a painting. So the storm blew over, and we see some blue sky back there. You can't really see it. It's there. See it now when I turned us dark.
That's pretty cool. I didn't know you could do that.
So the storm blew over, it hailed and rained, and now it's just amazing. So we're going to stay for a little while and just take pictures. Stay tuned. You always do that. What did you just take a picture of?
Us on taking a picture of ourselves.
It doesn't really work. Okay, so this is Nancy, the gardener here at Crystal Hermitage Gardens, and she's telling me that there's rainbows.
The rainbows. So we've had a great rainstorm. It's lifting, and we're waiting in this beautiful river valley. We usually get rainbows. It's really a magical rainbow place.
Oh, I can't wait.
So we're waiting.
We're watching.
We're watching and waiting.
She's watching.
And I see it start to happen, and it fades. It's teasing us right now.
Oh, we're going to get one. I just know
so.
it. Thank you. I think we've taken all the pictures we're going to.
And then some.
It's going to be like 1,000 pictures to choose from.
Oh.
Too many.
Not
What a
for
beautiful
me.
day. We got some blue sky. I don't know if you can see it. You cannot see it.
Cannot see it.
But it is. It is there. Blue sky.
It was great. We got hail, we got rain, we got blue sky. We got everything today.
It was worth the drive. Now we trek home.
And we're actually thinking about coming back.
Oh yeah.
That's
we have to
insane.
come back.
It's
We have
like
to come back.
6-hour round trip, but
No, we have to come back.
have to come back.
All right. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
We're going to drive down and check the river. I think it's the Yuba River here.
We definitely
Oh, they got a really cool old bridge. Looks awesome.
Okay, we definitely got bloopers on this one.
This is awesome.
Yay! I like it when he's excited. I'm winded again, but oh my gosh, we climbed up, beautiful view.
It's amazing, yeah.
He says, let's just pull over and look at the river, and I'm like, okay.
It's a really, it's a really awesome spot. I mean, little trails and everything coming right up the cliff, and the water is just beautiful right now.
It's amazing. Okay, I want to show you what I can see in front of me and ask hubby, should we try it? Should we try that?
Yeah.
Where's it gonna go?
To the moon.
Let's do it. You're gonna hear me breathing. But look down there. That's what's right next to us. How far do you want to go?
I don't know. How far do you think it goes?
Probably far. Gets littler though. I've seen enough, but it's so pretty. Look at that.
It's a really cool shot right there.
All right, I'm taking it. Once a year. Oh my gosh, your phone is ringing. Say that again.
Let's just drive down and check the river here. It's cooler.
I
Drive
say-
down and check.